Hi students, hope all will be fine. So student, today I am going to start very interesting chapter, quadratic equations. Before starting the quadratic equations, little bit I want to tell about the polynomials. Polynomials we studied in the previous class that. So polynomial, many, nomial mean that terms. So it is an algebraic expression which consists many terms. This is the written here that polynomials where these are the coefficient and these coefficients should be real number that these n, these are the degree that should be positive integer, not negative. Yeah, ai means that a1 a2 a3 means that these should be coefficient of these terms should be real number, and n, that is the degree, that should be positive integer that. Yes, okay. Now this polynomial can be of n degree, 2 degree, 5 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, whatever that. Yeah, so student, tell me, if I am asking y is equal to x power 5 plus x cube plus x power 1 by 2 plus this way written, is it polynomial? So your answer will be no, because number one thing that this should be not in fraction that. Yeah, so this is not in polynomial that. If I am asking x power 3 plus x power minus 2 plus 1, this is the polynomial. Here also will be answer your, this is not polynomial that. Or written that x square plus 1 upon x, can you say this is the polynomial? No, this is not polynomial. X plus iota written that, is it polynomial? No, this is not polynomial that. So if here written that x square plus 1, is it polynomial? So your answer will be yes, is it polynomial? It is polynomial, because here this power is the integer having the 2 degree that. Yeah, so in between can be 0, no problem that, but power should be always, this power should be always that positive integer that, not negative integer that. Now quadratic polynomial, a polynomial which have highest degrees 2. As example, y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. So what is the quadratic polynomial? A polynomial which have highest degree is the 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. See, for this is the quadratic polynomial that. इसी तरह से हम क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल लिखेंगे. if हाईएस्ट डिग्री 3 है तो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल हो जाएगा. अब आता है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दैट. क्वाड्रेटिक equation. If this quadratic polynomial, this is the function, yeah, if equating 0, अगर इसको हम equal to 0 लिख दें, that will be quadratic equations. Like here that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What will be this? This is quadratic equation that. So we are going to discuss about the quadratic equation. So let's start. Quadratic equation that. If written equal to 0, an algebraic expression in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is called quadratic equation that. Yeah, condition what should be? A should be not equal to 0. a should be not equal to 0, बाकी कोई बात नहीं, कैन बी, बट a should be not equal to 0, क्योंकि हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या है, 2 है। अगर a 0 हो गया तो हाईएस्ट डिग्री यहाँ पर फिनिश हो जाएगा, हम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं कर सकते हैं जो है। सो फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिस कोएफिशिएंट शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, ये शुड आपको ध्यान रखना है जो है, ठीक। अगर हमने कह दिया कि एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अभी बताया हूँ जो है, इज इट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन या इज इट ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है। लेकिन अगर हम a इज इक्वल टू 0 रख दें तो क्या होगा, ये टर्म दैट विल बी फिनिश। सो व्हाट विल बी रिमेन, दैट bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0। व्हाट इज नेम ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड दैट लीनियर इक्वेशन, दैट दिस इज कॉल्ड दैट लीनियर इक्वेशन, दैट ठीक। इस तरह से अगर हम पावर 3 लिख दें जो है, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड ए क्यूबिक इक्वेशन, दैट राइट। सो टुडे स्पेशली वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? An algebraic expression which written in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is called a quadratic equation, that yes. Now some things more I want to discuss related to this. So student, among between these two equations, which is the quadratic equation, which will be that? So first will be quadratic equation, this will be cubic equation, that because highest degree is 3 and here highest degree 2. So highest degree 2 we have to see for the quadratic equation, that ठीक है। और ये टर्म 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, दिस टर्म शुड बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि हमने बता दिया कि a शुड बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0, दैट फॉर द quadratic equation, that okay. Now, as you studied in previous class about this, no need to derive in this class, that you know that there will be two roots. So what is the roots? What is the roots? Roots are the values of the equation which will satisfy the equation, that it is the value of x which will satisfy the equation, ठीक है। How many roots will get here, that there will be 2 roots. Why? Because power is degree is the 2. So number of roots will be decided according to the power. जितने power होगा उतने roots होगा। अगर 3 power है तो how many roots will be 3 roots, mean that x की 3 value होगा, ठीक है। There will be 3 value of x, that. So once again I want to define that quadratic equation. It is the algebraic expression in which highest degree is 2 with one variable, that ठीक है। So it is the algebraic expression which have highest degree is 2 with one variable, that. So as you know, there will be 2 roots for this quadratic equation. So what will be 2 roots? X equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Yes, as you have studied in class 10th about this formula. So this is the 2 roots will be find from this formula, that yeah. What is this? ये क्या है? This tell us about the nature of the roots. यह नेचर बताता है रूट्स का कैसा है। तो b square that is called a discriminant. This is called a discriminant. So discriminant that decide the nature of the roots. यह नेचर बताता है रूट्स का कैसा होगा जो है। So b square we represent this b square minus 4ac that is equal to capital D. So there are 3 conditions. D is greater than 0, D is equal to 0 and D is less than 0. As you know about D is greater than 0, it means that there will be 2 different real roots will be obtained if D is greater than 0 का mean that b square minus 4ac का वैल्यू अगर आपने सॉल्व किया 4ac का वैल्यू that can suppose that greater than 0, that positive value अगर मान लीजिए 2 आ गया, so it means that this is the greater than 0 and you can find that two different roots that d is equal to 0, it means that two equal roots will be, दो roots होंगे लेकिन कैसा होंगे, equal होंगे. And if d is less than, d means that this value, put the value after the comparing with x square plus bx plus c, you have to put in this. If d coming less than 0 means negative, then which type will be your roots? That will be imaginary. That will be imaginary as I taught in the complex number. So student, here there are two roots plus minus. So let these two roots are alpha beta. So let two roots of this be alpha beta. Let two roots are alpha and beta. हमने मान लिया दो रूट अलग अलग अल्फा और बीटा है. So alpha is equal to what will be here, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a अल्फा हो गया, and then beta equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let these two roots of this quadratic equation, one is the alpha and other is the beta. एक alpha है और एक beta है. Now we will find the relation alpha plus beta. देखिए क्या आता है, what will become that alpha plus beta if we add alpha this root and that root. So if we add, we will find that minus b plus, sorry, here no need to minus because already taken the one root here and one root there, so I separated. So what I need to write a plus minus, only this will be for the plus and this will be for the minus. That now student, add alpha plus beta, what will be that, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac over upon 2 plus beta value minus b here minus b square minus 4ac upon what is the 2a. ठीक है, this is the plus in between that. We got 2a to a same, LCM will be same that, so we can write that all together. Now I'm going to rub. Yeah. So if I say, you can find that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac plus and minus, that is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon what is that, 2a. Yes. So simplify that, what will be here the result after simplify. See, minus b there will be 2 minus b, so alpha plus beta equal to 2b. This b square minus 4ac under root and minus under root b square minus 4ac will be cancelled क्योंकि एक प्लस है और एक माइनस है, that will be cancelled. So what remaining, that minus b minus 2b upon down what will be 2a. 2 cancel. So we found alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Right? What are the quadratic equation क्या था आपका जो है, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This was the quadratic equation. अब यहाँ हमको क्या मिल गया, alpha plus beta sum of both root of this will be minus b upon a. Minus b mean that coefficient of x, and here coefficient of x square. So we can write that alpha plus beta minus b upon a. It means that minus को coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Student, so one formulas we found alpha plus beta is equal to minus, so alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. We have to use this as a formula to solve the question. That you have to remember this very important thing. That one more I will find after this, that multiplication of two roots alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta we found that minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So if quadratic इक्वेशन given x square plus bx plus c, कोई भी quadratic इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है जो है, और डायरेक्ट आंसर आपको लिखना है, किसी कंपटीशन में आपको टिक करना है, तो आप सीधे देख करके आप इसको जो है लिख सकते हैं. देयर इज नो डाउट इन दिस. So student, for this quadratic equation there was two roots alpha and beta. So by using these two roots we found that sum of two roots is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. That now we are going to discuss about the multiplication of two roots. If two roots are multiplied, then what will be that? Let's check it. Alpha into beta, we are going to multiply both roots, then check what will be that. Alpha into beta, that is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. One bracket into beta minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Yes? Here. This is the first root alpha, this is the second root beta. That alpha into beta. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b, we have to use that. A plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, right? A plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So suppose this is the a and this is the b. This is the a and this is the b. A plus b, a minus b. So you have to use these identities. What will be here, student? A square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. That means that will be equal to minus b whole square. A square minus under root b square minus 4ac, what? Upon 2a into 2a, that is equal to 4a. That will be equal to 4a. Now, right? I think that the steps are clear. B square can write here b square. Minus b square means minus plus b square minus under root, this is square having that. So under root, tell me that under root x, what will be square? That will be x. Under root will be finished here. So square, whole square of under root, that will be finished. We can write here b square minus 4ac upon 4a. Right? Now, what is this? Alpha beta. Alpha into beta. Now, okay. Open this bracket that. So, that will be equal to b square minus b square plus 4ac whole upon 4a. Right? No doubt in this. B square will be cancelled. So what will be remain? Rest, that will be 4ac whole upon 4a. One thing written, check here. A into a, that is a square. What will be here? A square. My great fault here. A square, A square. What will be here? A square. What is here? A square. Right? Now 4 cancel. 1a will be cancelled. So we can write here C upon A. What we found? We found if a product of two roots will find, that will be equal to C upon A. C means that a constant term upon what is the coefficient of x square. Constant term upon coefficient of x square. So student, we found two things, very important things for this. Number one, alpha plus beta, and number second, alpha minus beta. Alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta, sum of two roots will be minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. We have to use this to solve the question. That by using these things, some more things we can find about this. So student, we have already seen that for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. For this two value, alpha plus beta minus b upon a, and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. With these informations, we can calculate other function of alpha and beta. That so I am going to write and see that will be, with this informations, value of other functions of alpha and beta can be calculated. I am going to write that alpha minus beta whole square, we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. That क्योंकि हमें ये दोनों वैल्यू पता है, तो हमें अरेंज करना है. वी हैव टू अरेंज to find alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So if any in questions coming that asking alpha minus beta, find out the alpha minus beta. So first you should know about this from the equation and this. Easily you can find out because two formula already given that. Second is that alpha square plus beta square plus beta square asking that. So you can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. सही है ना? देखिए ये आप सिंपल लुक हियर दैट, कहीं कोई नया नहीं है. अगर इसको होल स्क्वायर करेंगे क्या आएगा? अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा एंड माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा. राइट. सी ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा. अब आइए अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर 2 अल्फा बीटा एंड माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा, that will be 2 अल्फा बीटा minus 2 अल्फा बीटा. minus 4 alpha beta means 2 alpha beta, have to remove that will be minus 2 alpha beta. So what is formula arranging here? Alpha minus beta square. So alpha minus beta square we can write in this form that. So you can check for all that. I am going to write that. Now alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square can be written alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Is it true? Yes, true that. You can check that. If you open the bracket, so what will be alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. ये तो हो गया इसके लिए, and this is minus 2 alpha beta. This is the cancel. What is rest at alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square we can arrange this way that. Right? So no doubt in this. There should be no doubt in this. Now alpha cube plus beta cube can be written that alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. You can write this thing that. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. You can check, this will become that, because alpha plus beta whole cube, what will be that, alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta, ट्रांसपोज कर दिया, alpha cube plus beta cube आ गया, ठीक है ना. नाउ अल्फा स्क्वायर ये तो आपको पता है, अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस बीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा माइनस बीटा. ये तो आसान से निकाल लेंगे आप, ठीक है. लेकिन इसके लिए आपको ये यूज करना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो दिस बाय यूजिंग दैट अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन ए. बाय यूजिंग दिस टू थिंग दैट with the help of this information we can calculate this thing that. Yes. So student, now this was the basic concept related to quadratic equation in your class 11th. First you understand basic concept, so it will be easy to solve the question. Yes. So student, watch the video properly, try to understand, and then you have to take the questions. I will give the questions also that. Okay, thanks all of you.